What's up, Green Fam?
What's up, y'all?
What y'all doing today? I'm up here trying to put these gloves on, y'all.
We doing that seafood today, y'all. Crabs.
Let's do a thumbnail.
Crabs.
I don't think that was a good one.
Corn. Potatoes.
I told him to take it out the bag so y'all can see it because y'all been saying that, but y'all know how he do. He do his own thing.
They'll say you eating.
They'll see me. They don't want to just see me. I got some king crabs again, y'all. This time. That's all they gave me.
Yeah, we got what we got here? We got crab fries. Look at that. Let's see what we. Y'all can't see that good right there.
Yeah, I know I've been getting these sausages now. Good.
Yeah, they give you the sauce. What kind of sauce is this one?
I don't know. What kind of butter? I don't know. I'm making up stuff. What it tastes like? I'm putting my juice in the bowl, y'all. Sweet? Is the sauce sweet?
It's sweet, yeah.
Oh, man. I'm making a mess.
Like it's mayonnaise based or something. Or a dressing.
They probably say what kind of sauce it is.
You got no napkins there?
Oh, that's what we forgot to bring over. No napkin. It just seems so small this time. Oh, they're upstairs then. Having it. Last time I poured the sauce on the fries.
They don't give you enough crabs on the fries though.
I know, but you keep ordering them.
Yeah, they don't give you enough. Oh, they be stingy, y'all, with the crabs on the fries. I already showed them that though.
See? Oh. You put it up close like that? This sausage be the bomb though. What y'all eating today?
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We appreciate y'all tuning in.
We had these crabs in a minute. Thank you. I ain't had no crabs in a minute, so I had to have them. I think you get addicted to them or something.
I don't know about that. It just tastes good and you want it once in a while.
Too often though. We had them blue corn the other day.
Oh yeah, I had 2 of those. That was good.
I didn't have enough. I haven't really. Certain ones I guess I like. On the blue corn. Y'all ever have the blue corn Mexican? Called Mexican corn?
I never had those. What they taste like?
They're so good. They so big and meaty and sweet. That place haven't had them in a while, so I gotta take them for it all. Of course, I get a juice for y'all.
Okay, you got the little kid juice.
I have no straw in it.
Got the little kid juice.
Why gotta be kid? It's just juice. He be talking junk, but he be drinking them too. Nobody can see your food. Are you kidding me? If you,
They can see yours, right?
they need to see both our food. Move your bag over there. Why I gotta always argue with him to show his food? I don't get it.
There you go. See y'all. Yeah. There it is.
Oh shoot. Don't make no sense, y'all. Don't make no sense. When he get hungry, that's it.
I enjoy crabs, that's all.
Don't go that, y'all.
That's all.
This little meaty knuckle. See that? Dripping. It's butter time. Looking good. Sometimes it's hit or miss. Now it's hit.
Yeah, the weather's so crazy. In the morning when I go to work, y'all, it's like it's pitch black. It'll be cool. Then during the day, it's like 75. And at night, it's 45. It's crazy.
How do you chew?
It's crazy.
I feel good today. I'm just hungry. Because I ain't really eat no real big meal, maybe.
Nah, we had that this morning. We had what, a sandwich?
Man working on our kitchen, so we can't go in there. Always something. Whoa. A little more crab on the table. So I think we kind of starving. A little bit. Put the sauce on there. It might be a mayo sauce.
Got that kind of taste to it.
With something sweet in it. It look like it.
Bless you.
Thank you. Ooh. I came from deep down.
Y'all being safe out there?
Got nothing on my face.
That Rona coming back around, y'all. Y'all be safe out there. At least where we at is coming back around. With a vengeance.
I don't got much to say today, y'all. Oh, pass me another juice. Oh. I had a little thing, thank you. This little thing do help. As soon as I said that, now it ain't working. It did before. This one hard as heck. He was strong. Oh, will you ever try these crabs? You don't like them?
Yeah.
You like the snow better?
Mm-hmm. And the Dungeness.
Oh, you got Dungeness too, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
I was eating those Dungeness, y'all, and then I noticed I started itching. So I don't know if I was having a... I was like, nah, look at all that. So I just let them... I stopped eating them.
Now the Dungeness, they meaty, y'all. Got a little different taste too.
I was digging in that sauce. Kind of spicy. They always get me. We was gonna eat it, but the restaurant, but they was talking about an hour wait because it's only half capacity.
Something like that, or 25%, something like that. I think it's 50% now. Capacity.
That's half.
Okay. Yeah, half capacity.
But yeah, I was like, I don't even know. I'm hungry.
Jokers is waiting though, y'all.
Nobody want to be waiting.
Waiting to get a seat.
Cause they have nice little drinks there too.
Yeah, they do. Nice little spot.
It's nice. I need to find out what kind of sausage it is. Cause they the bomb. Remember Martin said to Gina, I said you're looking like the bomb, Gina. I said you're looking like the bomb.
Yeah, I'm trying to do better with these crabs. My wife said I'm always wasting crabs, so I'm getting all that. Everything
You're
like
supposed
that.
to.
Let me see right here. Get that little baby piece right there.
A baby piece.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to get the baby piece, the father piece, the mother piece. All the pieces. I ain't talking that much tonight. I'm just enjoying. I guess I've been kind of thinking about this. It's a little piece in here.
Yeah, we started watching a new TV show. It's new to us. I think it's been out though. It's called
Ratchet.
Ratchet. Now, I ain't gonna tell y'all too much about the show. It just involves nurses, but it's pretty good. If I continue to talk, I'm gonna tell y'all everything.
We all
that's
know
on.
you're going to know the whole thing. You don't need to watch it.
Not bad. After episode 1, it's on point.
Yeah, very interesting. I'm surprised he liked it, though. But he just like... It's not much you don't like. Yeah, I like movies that...
I don't really like Lovecraft.
Lovecraft Country. Because you don't understand it too much. I like movies like Doomsday and End of the World movies. Those are my kind of movies. I love those movies. Don't ask me why. But I love that. What's the name of my other favorite movie? Besides The Color Purple?
War of the Worlds.
Mm-hmm. When the aliens come.
Now, who's in that?
Be killing up everybody.
Who's in that though?
Tom Hanks.
Tom Cruise.
Yeah. Tom somebody.
Yeah, that was cool. It was alright.
Yeah, I watch it all the time. I'm watching it now. Pretty soon, maybe tomorrow. I don't know why I love that movie, guy. I love that. I'm never watching the asteroid movies. Some little corny movies. That's on little different stations. What's that? Tubi?
Tubi. T-U-B-I, y'all. They got some decent shows on there. Decent movies.
Oh man.
And it's free. It's a free app.
So hard. Oh, there you go.
It's a free app, y'all, so.
They got some good movies. They have when they have featured movies, they have regular movies on there too. Besides the one that's made for Tubi.
Yeah, it's not a bad app. That, Pluto, a couple good apps out there.
That's free. Oh yeah, which one I watch, huh? Like Hell's Kitchen. That's
That's Tubi, right?
Tubi. That's I'm asking you. Yeah, because I had to download it, right?
Tubi.
Yeah. Tubi.
They got all the seasons on there, right?
Mm-hmm. They got every season, every episode on it. It's good. This time of year when it's a little chilly, I got my heated blanket. Yeah, I got that hot apple cider or hot chocolate. And watch some scary movies. I love this time of year.
Yeah, we watched a movie called 2067. I ain't watched all of it. I watched the first half hour, then I went to bed. Because I saw the movie was not worth staying up for.
I fell asleep and woke up on it, the end.
But to me, it was terrible.
Why you even bring that up?
I would talk about shows and stuff, so.
That's one of your picks. Y'all used to always have me watching corny movies, trying to spend boo time with him. Trying to watch TV with him, Lord. If the movie wasn't corny, he didn't pick it out. Remember that, boy?
Yeah,
You still be watching corny movies? And
no more. Hold on. Cut back.
I don't know how you just like watching corny movies.
I don't think they're gonna be corny when I put it on. They be corny.
Oh, shoot. You don't think they're going to be corny.
Most of that stuff on TV not even good.
That's why you got to get a hobby. I got my water here too, y'all. My essential. Still drinking that. What you got to say?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought you was looking.
About the water? Mm-hmm. You probably had that since like Thursday.
I knew you had something to say.
The same bottle.
He wasn't just looking. I know you got something to say. I'm so good. Sausages, I could eat all the time. Sometimes I just want to go and order some sausage.
Yeah, they that good?
Next time I'll order some rice. With the sausage show. Remind me. I'm gonna order some rice with it. That's another place. Like Chris was talking about, they have noodles and rice too. All different kind of noodles and rice.
Noodles and rice? Okay.
To go with the meal. That crab fried rice, shrimp fried rice.
Yeah, look at that, y'all.
That's a big old drink in this. Put it right there.
What do you mean? What the?
I'm gonna do. What? I have food in my mouth when I did that.
Well, y'all, we appreciate y'all tuning in. We're going to finish up these crabs.
Yeah, we can't be pretty much dogging them. We don't got much words tonight. But smacking and cracking. Alright, y'all. If y'all haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's free. Just hit the red button down below and make it gray. Make it gray.
Make it gray.
Hit the notification bell. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what y'all eating tonight, what y'all doing on this Friday night. Alright. And we're going to finish eating our food. Because I think I'm eating all this tonight.
Yeah, this going.
It's going.
Next 5 minutes.
That's it. I'm gonna do it, y'all. I'll let y'all know tomorrow. Alright, until next time, y'all. Y'all be safe, wash your hands, and have a blessed night. Green Fam out.
Peace, y'all.